सर आज तुमी दिल्लीच्यान परते आयिल्ले आसा, कितें डिसिजन जाल्लें आसा एलायन्साचेर कितें जाल्लें आसा?
डिसिजन एलायन्साचेर जाला म्हणल्यार जे तुमकां बाब दिनेश गुंडूरावान सांगलां तशें जालां की आमचें एलायन्स जाता आनी हें एलायन्स फुडलो गोंयचो सरकार चलयता. इतलें म्हणजे तुका आज सांगूं जाता
सीट शेअरिंगाचेर
नीटी ग्रिडी सीट शेअरिंग तें आमी आमच्या लेवलाचेर हँडल करता.
आणि बाकीचे
How many seats Goa Forward is looking?
How many and all will handle in course of time.
Okay, how was the meeting with Rahul Gandhi?
Very cordial. It is a meeting which has a good future for Goa, not only for ourselves in the alliance, but it spells a good future for Goa. See, we have decided to liberate Goa from this Bhrashtachari Janata Party government, and we will achieve it jointly. And after this alliance has now happened, more people are likely to join, and we will see a swelling in the ranks, and we will form the government for sure.
Is any BJP leaders in touch? How many?
Course of time will continue. But everybody, see, the alliance has been taken well by the people. Only persons disturbed by this alliance are the same people who had otherwise approached me to be their face here. So, they are the only ones disturbed. They are calling this unholy. Was it holy when they approached me? Was it holy when even the West Bengal Chief Minister said that let's form a federal front of non-Congress, non-BJP parties? At that time, that alliance that could be formed, was it a holy alliance? Now it has become unholy after we raised the hand with Rahul Gandhi. So what is wrong with that hand? You know, people of Goa are not fools. You can't fool the people by putting the hoardings and banners. And if certain parties believe that they are street fighters, there may be street fighters there. We are street fighters here. And street fighters here will only win the battle here. You can't import street fighters from outside and expect to win elections. How much? Congress party is the pivot of that. The central party is the Congress party. So, आणि आमच्या लेवलाचेर चलता आसता. आमचे जे कितें चलिल्लें खूब तें तें आमी फॉर्मलायज केलां.
काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट
हांव म्हज्या पार्टीचें पळयना. हांवें म्हज्या लोकांक कोणाक इन्फॉर्म केलें. दुसऱ्या पार्टीचें म्हाज्यान आन्सर दिवंक जायना. हांव तुका इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदतां, हांव जे काँग्रेसी कडेन उलयतालो तें उघडपणान उलयना, लिपून कांय करूंक ना. This is not something which is a fly-by-night operation. This is a very clear-cut alliance of minds and then of hearts of the people of Goa. लोकांक हे alliance जाय. इतलेंच न्ही, लोकांक एक ओवरऑल सेंटिमेंट आसा की जे सिरियस आहा BJPक उडोवपाक त्या लोकांनी एक जावपाची गरज आहा. हे टीम गोवा म्हणटा तो कॉन्सेप्ट जो हांव इतले तेंप उलयत आशिल्लो, म्हाका दिसता आज टीम गोवा हें आमचें सपनें साकार जाल्लें. हांव सेयिंग not wrong. MGP was one of the parties that initially formed the government in 2017. The MGP leader has been unceremoniously sacked. He must be having self-respect. It is the oldest regional party in Goa. I am the youngest regional party in Goa. So, old and young, we both have self-respect. गोंयचो स्वाभिमान, गोंयकारांचो स्वाभिमान हो सगळ्यान पोरणी रिजनल पार्टीकूय आसतलो आनी नवे रिजनल पार्टीकूय आसतलो. आमकां उगीच हायर एंड फायर सिस्टम न्ही. इट इज नॉट सिकींग एम्प्लॉयमेंट. इट इज अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स, एंड पॉलिटिक्स इज द आर्ट ऑफ द पॉसिबल.